So yesterday's low was sitting around 1584 on the NQ. I think so. I think it's from overnight session or some shit. Like pre-market overnight. 1582, something like that. And then Friday was 1561. Yeah, so 1561. It's pretty much in the same spot, more or less. I mean, 10, 15 points. So I'd look for that zone to hold, let's see if we can hold a higher low here and then push back up to the upside. Again, I mean, I'd be a little cautious on trying to chase the shorts. You see Sheppy held some fucking puts overnight. Yeah, he just posted up the P&L and $6,000 win. Yeah, that's a fucking good thing. All right. I guess I don't even know what Nvidia did. Watch. Oh yeah. Fucking down 20 points. Holy shit, that's a fucking monster move. Yeah, for sure. Big said something about fucking news on the video. I don't know if he's bullshitting me or not, but something about the fuck did he say? Biden said something about trying to, I don't know, move semiconductors somewhere else. I don't know what the hell he said. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah. Tesla below 248.75. Yeah. First shot, I would expect it to bounce from there. And then going forward, if we do lose it, I'd like to see it come down test between 80s and 60s, bounce, and then if we lose that area the second time, I'd be looking for like 1520. It's just the for futures, options a little bit different. You could kind of play it a little bit safer, but for futures, because this move down is so aggressive, like if for me, it'll be my luck that I chase it, right? I'll chase this big move, trying to get in on momentum, and then it bounces like 30 points in a continuation of it still moving lower. Like I would just need it to slow down a little bit. A little bit. I mean, show me some type of any kind of bounce. I don't care. 20, 30 points. And then slow down and then take the short through the low versus right now would be kind of a chase, and then next thing you know, this thing's, yeah. But Tesla's down. It's Bollinger Band 248.60s. Amazon down to its daily 10, has a little bit of support there. Meta, if Meta starts to lose yesterday's lows, maybe 315.40s, maybe 315. I'll put it down 6 points right now. I don't really like that. Netflix. I still like Netflix to the long side if we get a bounce here. 363. 363 on Netflix if we bounce. Google's pushing higher. Google starts getting over 139. Has about $1 up. And then the Tesla. If Tesla loses 248 today, that's a gimme. So here's a little bit of that NQ bounce. If NQ can kind of bounce, get rejected somewhere around the 150s, 160s even, and then come through lows, you might have a little bit of room left in the trade. There's a new fucking low. Be right back. I'm gonna grab some water. NQ kind of resting on this 5-minute Bollinger Band. I might have to wait first 30 minutes at least, kind of see where we stand. Tesla 1 hour down into Bollinger Band. Fucking Nvidia down 25. Nice. Did you take any shorts, Sammy? Yeah, I took a little one for the. Took a little bit into the 82s. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. There's that Tesla breakdown. I wonder if anyone snagged that. 248, 248.40s, 248.50s. Yeah, at this point, you might as well wait. Wait 10 minutes. Oops. Nvidia had a good washout too. Yeah. Well, probably not. Probably not. That that AMD flush was a good one. So I had 140, I had 104.75 short, has room to 102.67. So we're at 102.30. So that hit the mark. So just kind of like because it was already lower than the 104.75 in pre-market, what you do is you take that new pre-market low that becomes your pivot. It wasn't not like it was crazy down there like Nvidia. It's down 20. It's only down less than a buck. So from 104.13 is still fading to 102. That would have been a good play if I fucking missed it. You got Tesla about yesterday's pre-market lows. It's got room to like 246.87. Yeah, at this point, I figure you've got to kind of wait now. Microsoft is a good watch too. Mm. Fucking Nvidia's down 34. Son of a bitch. Sheppy would have been up like 15 grand. Holy shit. Holy shit. What the fuck? So we got room down to 1520 on the NAS. Hmm. Jeez. Just be careful, dude. Hmm. Wow. Biggs, what'd you say the news was on the video? Damn. Wow. Wow. That's a lot, bro. Yeah. Somebody somebody wasn't happy with with something, or they wanted to make some money on this thing. That's a lot, dude. 30, 33, 35 points down. Jeez. It's just a straight wash. What is that? That's 7%? That's insane. Huh. That really messed up that chart, to be honest. Today's lows 424 would have room to 417, which is your 100 EMA. Anything below that, it would be a free fall. This would be a free fall. Huh. Huh. Meh. Apple lost a 20 on the daily. All the way down at its hourly linear regression, though. It's a little meh. Yesterday's lows was already lost. Man, it was kind of late to the party, huh? They sent out the party invitation a little late to us, huh, Biggs? Yeah, yeah, I see that. Oh, yeah, those things are really not down at all. Hmm. It looks like they're they're hammering tech then, huh? That's what it looks like. Yeah, about 80% of the Nasdaq 100 is red. So yeah. Hmm. New hour candle in four. I don't. What do you want me to do? I don't really feel like. What the hell am I gonna do? He took some calls. Yeah, that's the. I mean, that's the only thing I can think, right? Mm. Nvidia. I mean, Tesla from the 248 down to the linear regression at 246.80s. That was about a $1.80 move. That's coming into support as well. Yeah, I feel like the shorts kind of like I mean, what are you gonna do? Yeah, like what do you? Yeah, huh? Oh boy, Biggs cheering him along. Oh boy. Yeah. See that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, not too bad. I mean, that was green. It's always good. Hmm. Hmm. So 424.80 is the lows on the video. I mean, down 30. You think I can scrape a buck off this thing on a bounce? Like, come on. Think I can scrape a buck, Biggs? Gotta be able to scrape it. Nvidia. It's fucking. It was down 35. Tell me I can't scrape a dollar off this thing? Yeah, I think I can too. Let's see here. 430s. Let's see if we can scrape a dollar off this fucking thing. Goddamn premiums are juiced. Yeah, man. Thanks for. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit! That thing was. Yeah, I know. That thing was down. Well, fuck. That thing was down. I mean, that thing was down 20 at the open. So you figure, shit. I mean, even five contracts. Those things, they had to have moved pretty good. Nothing. Yeah, like nothing. Yeah, dude, because I had a 463.55 pivot long because they actually came in for 270s yesterday, like crazy, bro. Like 270s, heavy size. This week's expiration, those guys got slammed. So you see that, Biggs? Look at 431 to 432.80, almost a $2 pop on the video. That's it. That's it. I'm out of here. I'm out of here, Biggs. Yeah, I'll see everyone tomorrow. If this wants to fill me, come on, get filled. Get filled. Yeah, how the Q's doing? Yeah, yeah, that thing's been up. Yeah, and that's it. $3 bounce on the Nvidia. So I'm out of here. You all out of the queues? There's that pop into the 10 on the NASDAQ bigs. You seen that? I'm gonna just take a little bit of that. Yeah, no, just the reclaim of the 5 into the 10. Mm-hmm. I took it on the future side of things. Yeah. I think that's probably it. Maybe one more. One more. Big's all mad. Look at it, Biggs. It's you left a lot of meat on the bone. It's gonna go all the way up to the 20. So it's gonna go up. So if you Biggs, the damn thing, it's up $1. You had 300. You had 300 cons too. You had 300 contracts too. Son of a bitch. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, that's the thing. That's the thing. Such an aggressive slide. I mean, look at like unless you took momentum right off the bell and just said, fuck this. Let me just try to get in and ride something and get out. I mean, if you shorted at the bottom of the range, you got stiffed. I mean, everything. Nvidia has bounced 10 points. It's bounced 10, and this thing's still going. You should have held that as well, but you got stiffed off the bell. That's why, big aggressive. It's like the rule of thumb is this. This has always been the rule of thumb that I was taught. Big aggressive gap downs or gap higher, right? Up, you can't chase that move. Like you need a new one. So either we need to, if we're gapping down, we've got to bounce and then re-lose those lows. There's your short. Vice versa for long. Or you can be degenerate and you can definitely try to chase momentum, but understand that if you catching it at the bottom of the channel, at the end of a candle close, more than likely you're probably going to get snapped. Like that's always been the rule of thumb when I was taught. So Oh, that Tesla bounce was massive too. 3 points and reclaiming the 20 SMA. What? Biggs, watch these son of a bitches go red. Yeah, I know. Yes, sir. Like that, where everything's all crazy, like if it goes like that, just honestly, like what I would do, I'm on the 5 minute, I would just go 5 minute to 1 hour and then come back to the five. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you could always do that too. Yeah. Oh, uh-huh. Like the prices? Oh, this? Yeah. Oh, oh, I don't know. Um, yeah, I don't know. What are you what are you trying to turn on and off? Oh. Yeah, no. Not that I know. We're still continuing to bounce here, Biggs. Still conti- still continuing to bounce here, Biggs. Catch a little bit more of this NQ. Catch a little bit more of this NQ. See? I'm just trying to catch a little more. You gotta be shitting me. No, no, no. Yeah. You got a support ticket? Yeah, oh boy, Biggs. Live chat. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, get on the live chat, Biggs. There no one's gonna be there tonight, bro. They only work they only work normal they only work normal hours. Nah, they don't. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no. Those guys are not gonna help you. Yeah. You need the guys that are there right now in the Chicago office, man. Like they only got about two of them. So just let you know that. Got about two dudes working there right now. Yeah, yeah, well, yeah, yeah. Yeah, like to be honest, dude, you should have just been in now. Like you should have just been in now. Like over the 150, because this confirmation over that is kind of taking out all of your range for your 20 play. You only got about 10, 15 points up now. Yeah. Let's see. What are we gonna take? 100 cons? Yeah, we gotta do 100. We're running into 5 minutes supply, but yeah, I mean hourly's, yeah. Again, this is like kind of the same thing as the NQ. Should already be in now, and it's again just why on the hourly we took out the 50, and let's just take a gamble and see if we touch the five at 43.60s. Yeah. Like on the 5 minute, I liked the I liked, honestly, I liked it over like 43.40s and then over 43.50s, 43.54, some shit like that into this supply. Now it's kind of like, is this our dead cat bounce for the little fade back, you know? Big, she keeps taking care of that coffee, huh? Yeah, that shit's gone. Hey, Biggs, check out the cues, yeah? Yeah. Check out the cues, Biggs. Up about $1.50 for entry. Attaboy. No, you're up $2. Excuse me, $2. Yeah, I mean at least $300. $100 a con. A little bagel. Yeah, boy, big. Get that, spike that fucking sugar level up. Spike that sugar level up. Get that insulin going. Um, little egg Sammy, no bigs. Yeah, Biggs, you guys need two pots going over there. You know, double potting it. Keep a slow. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But yeah, they're getting stuffed. They're getting stuffed here. No, what? Where's the 10 at? No, we're over the 10. On the cues, we're over the 10. Coming up to the 50 on the cues. Take a look. We're over though the 10. The 10 sitting at like 366, right around about. Really? Uh, yeah. Huh. Oh, we're right here at the 50 again. So yeah, I had a bunch of problems yesterday. Yeah, no. I was concerned yesterday, man. I couldn't even get into Thinkorswim for like an hour. We did because they're doing the merger with with fucking with Schwab, so that went into effect yesterday. Uh, no, 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 that shit was on the news. Yeah, yeah, that, yeah, yeah, yeah. They're still doing more integrations. Yesterday was just a launch. It's not even going to be called Thinkorswim anymore. It's going to be called Schwab Trader or something like that. Yeah, they're still doing one more flip over. So I'm sure it's going to change again on an update in the morning. Like the whole platform, there is no more Thinkorswim. It's like called. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I hope they don't change too much because I don't know how to trade anything else. Attaboy Biggs, we're taking some gains off the EMPH, huh? Yeah, you're not fucking around. Get that. Be nice to get that. Nice to get that coffee though, huh? Yeah. Take a little sip of Joe. Yeah. Just fucking start running that thing on fucking overdrive, Biggs. There you go. Yeah, don't tell Biggs I'll be on fucking 7 shots later, right off the bell. No sleep. Nice bounce, huh, Biggs? Yeah, gotta love it. What do you got here? You see it. There you go, Biggs. Right under all the little channels that have the yellow square. Yeah, that thing's toast, dude. Yeah. Biggs working on 6 already. No. 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 Biggs, we gotta stop that. Biggs, we gotta stop that conversation right now. No, she's not. Yeah. 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 Biggs, you belong. Yeah, we had the absolute bottom. Absolute bottom. I should have still held the fucking Nvidia and the Qs, man. This thing's up like, yeah, I think Sammy was on that. Yeah, no, yeah, so no, Sammy says, yeah, we're approaching Friday's lows. I'm gonna short it. Fuck, dude. Yeah, no. just the yeah. Oh my. Just well, well. What do you got for me now, Biggs? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and just start shorting from here. Yeah, keep that thing fucking turned on, Biggs. Biggs, we jumping short now? What are we doing here? Jumping short? Jumping short? So is this your play? Do I jump short? This your play? You always do this funny shit where you set up short at the top and then you're just posting gains, never tell no one about it. So this what you do right here? Shorten this? Yeah. Here we go. Here we go, dude. You tell me this thing's gonna take out Hive Day? You're not gonna roll nothing. You're not rolling shit, dude. This thing's gonna go red to green today, isn't it? Imagine that shit. Nah, these guys are nothing but fucking dorks, anyways. This guy's not saying nothing. There it is. You think so? Well, yeah, listen to Biggs on this one. uh, oh yeah, remember Biggs when you guys try to you guys yeah, Biggs is like yeah, Biggs is like, oh, we're gonna bounce here for the 50. The Q's just steamrolled that. Biggs got the swingers party. Tuesday, huh? What do you got? What do you got? There you go. Let it ride, baby. Let it ride. Welcome to the other side, Biggs. Get the blood flowing this morning. Get the blood. Biggs, go 20 of these things, man. You holding them still? Yeah, you're holding them. Double or nothing. All or nothing. Then the video is still gonna bounce. And the video is gonna bounce still. Over 438.85. And the video's got room to 443. There's more room left on this bounce, Biggs. We're gonna see here. Get that, get that, get that coffee, Biggs. No, you need to take a walk. Shit. Well, look, if it's gonna go down at this point, might as well just hold it all the way to the low of day, and try to stretch that son of a bitch. What, Biggs? What? Getting scared. Don't get scared, Biggs. Or at least to like 65. No? This thing's going higher. Yeah, we're still on it. It's right at the 5. We got rejected at the 50 and we're pulling back down into that 5. We're right below it. So, yeah, I mean, but if this thing starts getting over the 50, it's going to 368. So, Biggs, you're still in that? Nvidia is still pushing higher. Man, if I would have fucking held that from the bottom, if I had it at 430, that's 9 points. Yeah. I'm out of these. I took Nvidia again. Yeah, we're damn. I had that thing at the bottom too. Ugh. Shit's up fucking 100 points, man. Damn. Yeah, we're going green, Biggs. Huh? What do you think? What do you think? Look at that move. Look at that move. Look at the move, Biggs. Good move. Yeah, man. Cool. I'm gonna go long. Um, I'm trading the opposite of Sammy today. Sammy's going short. I'm gonna go long. Let's see what we looking like for reals on the 5. Getting rejected here. Sammy, you're in short now. Oh yeah. See that what yeah, should have took the short. Yeah, you should have took the short. It's down 10 points. Um I guess 185. You have support all the way down to 185, and then below 185 could definitely come down more if this is going to be it. But again, I mean that's like a V. That's a complete V-shaped recovery all the way back to we're all the way back to where we started. You know where it was trading at in the where we were trading at in the pre-market. So that's where we're getting rejected at right now. I guess you could say that if you know the Qs get over 257, then this thing's a runaway train. It's also going to be taking out levels from the prior days, which is bullish, right? I mean, bullish. That's bullish action. You know, the only thing really still like way down there is Nvidia off the news, I guess. I mean, AMD was down heavy at one point in time too. It's pretty much recovered a lot of everything. Like anything. Okay, what's frustrating is because literally what we should have done was big move off the open. Let's wait 30 minutes. Let's find that reversal and let's just use the low of day as a stop and hold everything until it proves to us that we're coming back down. Because you would have caught everything. I mean, everything bounced. Everything had that beautiful little reversal candlestick that you could have used the low wick as a stop and just got in, like, and just stayed there. AMD, Tesla, Nvidia, I mean, Meta, I'm assuming Andre took the Meta, so Meta, right? Like everything had that reversal down there where you could have used the lows off the first opening hour. You see what I'm saying? Fuck, you gotta fucking process that data quick, man. I didn't even think about that. Like just fill the book, take 10 stocks, 10 contracts each, get on the board, you know? You know? 10 contracts each, everything across the board. I know Aaron got something. Aaron's probably holding something long. Oh, you're still fucking around with that? Yeah, that's what. Well, yeah, that you gotta have it, man. You gotta have that linear. Yeah. What do you got for me, Biggs? You got something for me? Short cues now? You like the short here? You don't like the short. You don't like. Yeah. Nah, forget the news. What the hell's that? Some guy. No. It's just a washout at high day. Because we ended up pushing back up. Sammy, you're short? Oh shit. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. No ch Uh-huh. You couldn't get too crazy, what you're telling me? You couldn't peel the lid back a little bit, Biggs, or what? You couldn't peel the lid back a little bit? Just uh-huh. 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 Everything's still going. Look at Tesla. Damn it. That thing came all the way from the. It's going fucking green, man. This fucking thing bounced at 248. It's at 2 fucking 53, man. That's the one. That in the fucking Nvidia. Nvidia's down 21. I had that shit at 20, was down 29, man. What a joke. What an absolute joke. Look at that thing. Tesla took out the first hour highs a long time ago, Biggs. It's coming up to pre-market highs. Look at the daily candle, man. If Tesla starts reclaiming the 20 around 254, 253 and a half, this thing's got room to 255. I've been short on NQ, so I'm just looking for a little something here. But I mean, I'm looking at stocks pushing higher though, so I'm a little. I'll be real quick on the trigger finger here. Just looking for just a little something, even to the 50 on the 5. You know, something. Just give me a little bit. I gotta make up for Biggs's last short over here. You know, how much hit did you take on that? Good size hit, huh, Biggs? I don't know how there's got some more bots in here, guys. Fucking messaging people with. Yeah, I know. I just got a DM from somebody. I don't even know how these guys get in here, man. I got his ass. Yeah. Someone said there was 2 of them, but I only found 1. But yeah, I got him. Oh, Andre's got one too, man. Let's see. They say weird shit like that. How are you doing in the stock market? A lot of people have been having trouble. I'll teach you. Stupid bullshit. I don't even know. I don't see Andres in here. So I'm in the wrong fucking business. What did they promise this guy? Yeah. Yeah. I'm in the wrong fucking business, Biggs. Mm. Biggs. 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 Biggs laughing at him. Biggs, did you laugh at him a little bit? Yeah. Biggs, your dad didn't even like that guy from the jump, right? Nah, he didn't like that guy. Yeah, I mean, your pops had a conversation. He really never cared for the guy, Biggs. He never. He's yeah. That's the problem, Biggs. He's a good dude. Yeah, he's a good dude. That's the problem. See what I'm talking about, Biggs? Yeah, Biggs let that fly. Yeah, yeah, Biggs. I'm trying to start a firm over here, Biggs. I'm trying to start a firm. I need more seed money. Let's get this guy on the fucking horn. Yeah. Yeah, Jimmy the Greek. Yeah. Here we go. Dude, Biggs, this guy on coke, dude. This guy's peeking through the shades like he's on fucking coke, man. This guy's paranoid as a motherfucker. All right, well, yeah, we'll get a little bit of money out of this guy too. We'll flip 15 grand in no time, Biggs. Is that gonna be it for the drop? Come on, Biggs. I need a little bit more here. Come on, I need a little bit more. There we go. I need a little bit more. Just give me a little bit more. I need a little bit more. Maybe 10 more points. I want the 90s, man. I want 90s. That will, yeah, we talk about losing a 10. We lose a 10. I'm not coming back. Let's go, man. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. That's not gonna do it, Biggs. Just do one of those fucking things that market does, you know? Yeah. Get down there. 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 Get into those fucking low 90s. Are you green? Yeah, I knew you didn't fucking sell that shit, man. God, you fucking. Yeah, you see. I'm down to this fucking guy, man. Yeah, Biggs, you've been doing that shit to me for 2 fucking years, man. Oh no, I got out of those. Still swinging them the next day. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah, then you needed to lose the 10, bro. If you sat through that, you're still sitting. Yeah. Yeah. If the Qs lose the 50, well, there, it just gave it, just. Yeah, what? Yeah, I know. I don't know why you did. We were pushing down just fine before you said that you were in this thing. Now I'm back to flat. Thanks, Biggs. Thanks. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Ah, man. That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking about, Biggs. Yeah, thanks, Biggs. Everyone thanks Biggs. Thank you. Yeah. Man. Here we go. Ooh, Biggs, how do you like those Mizunos? Not bad, huh? No, worst. I want whatever three putt shooting. This guy, I want whatever three putt is shooting, man. Yeah, three. Yeah, three putt. Put the mic on three putt. I gotta ask you a couple questions. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, that's what I need to get dialed in. Yeah. What do you mean by sit? Basically, what you're saying is you got a fucked up swing. Mm, mm, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if those guys, I don't know if those Dick's employees know what the hell they're doing though, Biggs. Well, I mean, I went the kid was as old as my kid. I mean, he was trying to yeah, yeah. Oh, try him out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can try him out. Yeah. See what you like. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Get on that simulator, Biggs, and see what you're really working with, no? Yeah. Yeah. Well, shit, Biggs. Hey, three putt. So, what do you got for me? Advice? 100 in. I'm having a real tough time from 100 in. What's the best advice here? I'm over here hammering the shit out of it from 100 in. It's all spraying all over the yard. What's the best advice here? Yeah, well, it depends. Basically, it depends on how I'm fit. Yeah, normally a 56. Yeah. I mean, but yeah, but I mean, I'll take the 56 bigs over the fucking yard. I mean, I got to take a little off is what I think. I got to take a little off my swing. I'm going in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Still in, but I'm just giving back profits left and right here. I'm up. I'm green. I'm flat. I'm just I needed to come down to the 90s, like low 90s. That would make me happy. I want to get down to the 50. I want the 50. Hmm. That'd be nice. Yeah. Well, okay. What advice would you give someone with the wedges? My wedge game sucks. I can't hit the wedge for shit. I can't hit the wedge for shit. Yeah, the long irons I don't have a problem with. The drive I don't have a problem with the drive. It's just the wedge game for me. Is I don't know. I feel like I'm too tight. I don't know. I'm swinging too hard. Yeah, I don't have the feel for the wedge at all. It's just I mean I don't know. Yeah, no, I'm not hitting them high. I'm hitting them skinny. Yeah, and they're going. I'm slicing them all over the place. Yeah. I'm like that, so what would that be if I so for me, I guess the field when I get up there, you know, let's say, and it doesn't have to be 100, maybe it's probably more so like, I don't know, 70, 80 yards in, you know, I'll hit it skinny a lot more than getting a nice chunk. Like I want that good loft, that nice, you know, I get it nice and high and it just sits on the green. No, I'm slicing the shit out of it, and I'm, you know, next thing you know, I'm ending up 40 feet offset of the green. So I don't know. Yeah, there we go. Lose at 50. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, I do. I do play the ball in the same spot. Is it? Mm, it, yeah. It, yeah. That makes sense. Yeah, because I no, 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 it's not yet. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That I'm gonna try the ball placement on my stance for sure. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Okay, gotcha. Uh-huh. Yeah, see, so I have been yeah, I have been doing that on the drive. It's just because it's honestly it's a lot of it's mental too. By the time I get up there and I know I gotta bring out that fucking wedge, I'm just so pissed off already as it is because I know I'm not gonna hit it right, and that's also weighing a lot on it too. Wait, wait, what's that? Yeah, see, no, I'm not really. Yeah, so exactly that, and that's the problem that I think I'm having. It's like, so I'm getting up there to that wedge. I know I need to take a little something off, and I'm not really giving it like a nice full swing. I'm kind of stopping myself right after that ball contact, so it's causing me to like, I feel like I'm like locking up, like, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm not getting like a good swing. I'm like stiff through that ball because I'm trying to stop myself to take something off of it. Um, yeah, I'm gonna have to go work on some things today, maybe tomorrow, today. Yeah, I'm down with that. Yeah, I need to go. I gotta really figure that out. If I can figure that out, I'll be all right. I got out of the short. I pissed away about $500 worth of profits there and ended up only taking 300. I should have just took it when we cracked that 50. Whatever. You get three putts the guy, man. Three putts a pro over here, man. Bullshit. Don't give me that. Don't give me that shit. Yeah. Biggs, what are you driving at yardage wise? 210. Yeah. 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 Biggs, you ever use a 4 hybrid? Yeah, yeah. I really love that 4 hybrid. Here we come again. Here we come again. Yeah. Hmm. I think we got to get out. We got to go swing it with 3 putt in person. Yeah, we got to get out to that guy. Yeah, that's the problem. When I'm playing with the same guys, I don't know shit. It's not really helping my game. Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Got you. Got you. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah. 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 Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Stiff shafts. Yeah. No, I like to play bigs, but I. Yeah. No, I like to play too. Yeah. I mean, bigs is 6'7". Yeah, but you got to go get fitted. You got to get fitted, bigs. That doesn't even sound right. A little bit. A little bit. A little. Were you? Were you? You're one of those guys, huh? Yeah, that's stupid. you gotta fig you gotta figure that throws you off a little bit, no bigs? Yeah. Huh. Yeah. 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 See, big yeah, you're all over the place, bigs. You gotta go. You think so? Right here at the 5 minute linear on that. Let's see here. Yeah. 50 EMA is sitting around 254.20s. but it looks good though. That's got room to like 255. Maybe got $1 in that. Heavy size. Hmm. If Nvidia too as well gets over the 5 on the 1 hour, 442 at any point in time in the day, that's going to have some room to push back up. 447, there's still 5 points there. If we lose the 50, I'll go again on that. Oh, kind of just hanging out here though. The Bulls are actually doing a good job. So you do have this line in the sand here on the Qs now. Like the last 3 days, we've kind of came down to that area, and every time we come down to that area, we keep bouncing up. If the Qs start to take out yesterday's highs and then even the 13th highs, this thing's gonna shoot up here. Might be a good opportunity to put on a nice little swing. Even look at this Tesla daily chart. This thing is confirming now back over the 20 SMA. It's got room all the way to 256, and then over that 258. So charts are hanging out. Amazon, same thing, trying to take out the previous hour's highs, has room. Only has about 50 cents though. But Amazon's daily does look good too if it gets over this 50 EMA. That's got room to 34s. I like that Amazon. Biggs, you want to swing a little Amazon? No. Of course not. No, of course not. Okay. Thanks, Biggs. I'm gonna try to swing this Amazon little 20 lot, Biggs. Contracts are cheap. Don't follow me on that. Tesla, same thing. How are we looking on the hourly? Tesla's daily chart looks good, Biggs. Oh, we got it. We got over that level. So maybe a yeah, but it just popped at 50 and then it pulled right back. So I'm looking at 254.37, maybe into 256. So I'll give that a little bit of time here. That's another one I'll be looking at. Maybe now you get that back test on the Qs. They came into the linear regression. They got startled. You're still holding them, right? Oh, you got out. Well, why'd you what? What'd you take on that? Jesus Christ. Here we go. Think so? This thing's coming down to the 20 at some point. You don't think so? Tesla's pushing up again. I do like the Tesla. I needed to get over this 50 though. I think that's the move, Biggs. That's gonna finish the day. Short. You've been waiting for that thing for a while now. Got no confidence in Biggs' voice right now. You haven't lost in a while, Biggs. Yeah. Hmm. What's the date on Friday? 19th? No, 20th. 20th. See if we got any flow, you know? I need flow, Biggs. That's what I need. I don't know how you guys trade options without no flow, man. You don't even know what they're coming for. Someone's got a $2 million bet for SPY puts. It's a block order though. At 430 strikes. Could be a hedge. Again, they were coming in for these last weeks. These 4400s on the SPX, they keep coming for 4400 calls. SPX 4400. A lot of those. Yeah, a lot of 4400 on the SPX. Where are we at on that thing? Tesla's approaching that 50. We're getting ready to take it out. SPX. I might have to jump in some of these SPXers. Daily. Yeah, so they want that 4,400. That puts us literally right at the 50. So that's where they want to take us this week, the 50. To the high side. Might have to sit through a little bit of crap before we get there, but they definitely want it. 440 calls on SPY. Okay. Yeah. So I'm looking at 254.37 calls on Tesla if we take that out. Same thing with this Nvidia. If I can take out the previous hour's highs at some point, 442.50s, I'm interested in that as well. Nothing else. Taking a walk around the park and I don't really see anything else. Meta took out yesterday's highs. That does have room on a daily chart to 329 if they want to get it going. I'm not seeing any flow on it though. Yeah, see, there's no flow on this thing over 100 grand. You got one guy sitting here for 322.50 calls, 100,000, but that ain't shit. The Tesla, Mr. Tesla, biggest bet I see here is 252.50s. That's about it. Bearish flow on Tesla. Bearish flow on the video. What? Talking about, boy. We getting a little pullback. Are you getting some money on that thing? Heavy size? Are you playing this into 187? Yeah, not bad. Yeah, shit stock. Let's see. I mean, yeah, it's got room to 136 is what I see. You know, it starts getting over 131, 132. I mean, 136 has got to be the magnet, right? It's got to be. Let's see if we got any. You see if you got any flow on this thing. Let's see. Nothing. Nothing over 100 grand. Let's just see if we got anything. Any smaller bets. TNPH. Yeah. Break one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't want to hear that. Yeah. And Nvidia is pushing up previous hours highs over the 5 here. Trying to tell you. Are you? Oh boy. Did you get your coffee yet? Yeah, what the hell? Big's been sitting here like on your you're sitting on your freaking stump. Coffee's probably cold now. Yeah, it's not even hasn't even started to drip yet. Did it? And Nvidia broke the previous hour's highs 442.49. I don't know if anyone was looking for that. Yeah. No, he was short. That Ama that Amazon went as well. The the, the yeah. Q's was just a long over the 238 over the previous hour's highs, or it was a long way back 7:15 my time. Yeah, so why'd you get out? Yeah, no, that's a thing with these. Yeah, so the Q's hit the Bollinger Band on the 5 minute. On the 1 hourly, it's pretty much ran into the 100 simple. I guess it would have to get over that 85, 86. I don't really see anything else. Yeah, the only problem with the 86 long, even on the daily, is we have this supply zone sitting at 365. So there's room there, but again, you are running into daily supply. Like tomorrow, if this thing gets over 362 tomorrow or at any point in time, that's when it can run, which is 100 points away. So we would need it to go green to or red to green today and then make that push higher. I just don't know if it's got a lot that much juice. The Bulls have already bounced us pretty well. Yeah, probably. Because essentially we just went back to where we started at. So it's like forget about the down move we had. Like forget about the open, forget about the pre-market, forget about the big washout. That's over with. We're just right back to where we were kind of setting up yesterday. So this is where on the market I was looking for, okay, if we can break these levels, we look pretty good long from here. But again, because we had the big down move and we kind of just spent all our energy recovering that, now it looks like maybe tomorrow is better for the longs, for the good setups. Um, but I mean, shit. I mean, this could push. I mean, it could go red to green and push up 80, 90 points, but it's gotta get over the 285 for sure. Like if you get an hour candle that closes over 285, whenever that happens, then I would look for the next move on the next hour candle. But it's 8:30 now. So if we don't clean this up now in the next 20 minutes, then taking a break of 285 at 9 o'clock my time in that hour is not really going to have a lot of juice because that's the first takeout of that level. It's going to need to put in a high and then we have to confirm it. So technically, what I'm trying to say is that if we don't clear out 85 in the next 20 minutes and we clear it out on the next hour, you would essentially have to wait till like 11 o'clock my time, which is 2.5 hours from now, before you have another solid setup to the long side. Again, like if you're scalping around in between this chop range, it's dangerous is what I'm saying. It's dangerous. You're asking to get chopped up. Because if you just go off of what's happened today, we're in an active long since 7:10, 7:15 my time, Pacific Standard. So what's the next play? It's in one now. It's in an active bounce now. So that's the only thing, right? And like being that we're not sitting in a play, we're kind of like, well, what's the next one? Well, the next one's gonna take a little bit of time. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Or something clean is what I'm saying. Like I'm sure you could jump in, scout 5, 10 points here and there, but I mean, is it really clean, or are you just forcing it? Okay, nice. Yeah, I seen that. Gotcha. Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, those are the plays that like you're kind of looking for. You're just looking for those type of little scout plays. And if they don't really work, just kind of get out of them because like you don't really have like the big play or a bigger play, so it's kind of just like where can we make a little bit of money and just, you know, get in and get out as safe as possible, as safe as possible. That's the thing. I don't really know how I'm gonna play this fucking Top Step funded account for the remainder of the month. I think I'm just gonna do very small size, just try to like stack up a bunch of smaller days.
Which one? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, yeah, you can definitely do that. Yeah. That's pretty that's pretty easy. So how you do that system is you run. The only problem the only problem with Top Step is they're gonna stop you out at 1,000, right? On the 50 day on the 50K account. So, if you do play minis, it's kind of tough to do that. You lose a trade 10, 15 points and you're gonna be done already if you're playing multiple minis. Um I would probably try to pass Top Step in like 3 or 4 days, playing like five to, yeah, probably like playing 5 micros at a time on trades, and then like switching to like maybe 2 minis when like you have like those moves where like we're breaking down, we lost a 200, this thing's just flying, and you can like kind of get in there and take like 5, 6 points on the way down, like those momentum plays. um I don't really like playing the minis when it's like, hey, here's a 20 play. Let's get in on this fresh 20 play or this fresh high of day break. Because like those ones, they break and then they come back and then it chops around and then it goes. So you got to play like smaller size on those. But like sometimes the market just moves and you can catch those momentum plays. So on the momentum plays, I like getting in on a mini and like just trying to take a few points as we're just fucking in free fall or in some massive bounce where it's just aggressively running. Like if you look at the price action right now in the NQ, it's just like fluttering around. It's like it's going up, it's going down, a couple ticks this way, couple. I don't like those playing minis because that's where like it can go against you and you can tend to lose money. I like playing minis when it's flushing. It's like if we're down 35, down 32, 33, 34, and you can see it and you've broken levels, you can just get in really quickly and make like $400 or $500 fast and then just get the heck out and then go back to your micros. Again, with the combines, I don't really like any of the evaluations. I don't really like taking, like, I look at it like this. Do you have the confidence in finding setups? Yes or no? Like, do you know what you're doing? Do you feel comfortable with that? If you do, then put X amount of dollars towards X amount of combines or evaluations and try to pass them as quickly as possible. But once you get funded, then play it the right way, the way you're supposed to. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't do that stupid shit. Just play it normal. That's why I'm saying, like, I just got my second account funded here with Top Step. I don't really want to play it super aggressive because I want to take these SOBs for payouts. So I don't really care if it takes me 30 days or 60 days to get a payout. I want the payout. That's the whole thing. But I don't want to spend a month trying to get funded, is my thing. Like, I'm not going to take a month out of my time. Yeah, because there's no point, right? Like, just find the setup, take decent size, get your money. Again, I mean, you got to make $3,000. So, I mean, on the last one, I see if I could still pull it up. On this last account that I got funded, I think my average day was, I don't know if they still have it on here. Let me see. I'm gonna want to get the stats. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. What you can do it, I mean, so okay, it took me 5 days to complete this last one. 83% were winning days, but I did hit the max drawdown of 1,000 on one day. Like I got smoked on one of these fucking plays, but I had like 5 mini contracts and I got smoked. It just stopped me out for 1,000. I had to battle back. But my average winning day was $803.97. My average losing day, I only had one of them, but it was that I hit the max, so it was 1,000. My best day was 1,100. So you can see, like 4 or 5 days, you can get these passed, right? You get these passed, and that's not bad. I mean, if you can get it passed in like a week, I would say, then you're good. But like once you're funded, you gotta play it right. Like you can't, like, yeah, it's nice to do that 3,000 in 5 days, but you can also lose your account in a week as well, or in a day or 2 days. That's the only thing I do like about Top Step over the Apex. Apex will just let you run it all the way down. It'll just let you blow up in one day. You know, like at least with you getting stopped out at $1,000 loss, it kind of like, yeah, you're down 1,000, but it kind of like makes you reset. Like, yo, you just fucked up. Like, really think about what you did. It gives you like, I guess, that second chance. Versus on Apex, I mean, you can just go down and just lose your whole account in one day. At least this will be 2 days. So it's like, I mean, right now, like for example, we're pushing a little high right here on the NQ. 250 is your support. That's 15 points down. Like I don't know, like if we break to the high side, what is 5 micros going to pay if we go from 70 to 80? 10 points on 5 micros, what is that? 200 bucks? 100 bucks? 20. Yeah, it'd be about 100 and something bucks. So, I mean, that's not really that big, but still. You probably playing 2 micros on a good setup. I mean, 2 minis on a good setup. Because if you're gonna come back 250 playing micros, 3 to 4 of them, you're probably gonna need like 2 or 3 trades, and you can probably hit it with one mini trade. But again, like it's risky because what if you lose it? And then if you lose the next trade, you're gonna be down 500-600. Like the setup would have to be nice. There's taking out high of day now. Where you at? What do you got? What'd you play now? You see what happens when you actually show up to work? You can make money. You notice that? Yeah. Yeah, you can't make any money when you're not working. I never understood that. I see that. I see that. Yeah, he's finally drinking his coffee. Yeah, there you go. Sell that son of a bitch. Sitting on your freaking stump, Biggs. Nobody took Nvidia over 442.50, reclaiming last hour's highs over the 5. No one listens to me, huh? That's cool. I'm gonna just stop calling this shit out. 442.50 up to 444. Yeah, fuck yeah, I'm in it. Hell yeah, I'm in this thing. I'm in this Nvidia. Don't worry about what, Biggs. You don't fucking listen to me. You haven't listened to me for 3 fucking years. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. I had too much risk on the table. Almost had a fucking buying power over here, Biggs. Yeah, that's a hell of a trade, Biggs. That's a hell of a trade, Biggs. Yeah. Yeah, you called that out as soon as you got on chat. Yeah, I'm waiting for this crowd strike. Shit and Shep had 185 calls on CrowdStrike last week that expired this week. He sold them at 187. He made 600 bucks, but he probably would have been up 2,000 on him at 190. Must be nice, huh? Must be nice. Yeah. Yeah.
down 10,000 on SPX randomly on a Friday. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah. Getting down to runners here on the video. Yeah, that bounce off the 200 when we cleared the 200. This is the 200. Yeah, the 200. We cleared it. We put in a high, then we came back to it, and then like 8:45 my time took out the previous candle that bounced off the 200 at like 70, and then it shot up quickly to 81. That would have been a good 10 points on 2 minis. That's like $400 right there. So we're coming all the way back down to the 200 again. So the new hour candle in 6, I don't know, maybe if we ever decide to get over the 286, no? I mean, if the Q's, yeah. If what do you think? If they take it out, we got room to go to like 340. Go red to green on these sons of bitches. What do you what do you what do you think? Yeah, right now. So right now. For on Friday, right? You're gonna take the full 15? Uh, so that'll give you 15 or around 1200 of drawdown. It should be fine. Yeah, you definitely want to take another trade or two, a few trades before Friday. Who? What do you mean? Off everyone who's failing challenges, bro. Apex is the king of people failing, bro. No, they're not making nothing from you. You're just taking whoever else is failing. You're just taking those fees. That's all you're doing. Yeah. Like 95% of people on Apex fail. You never get a payout. Because they like they're good because they're so fucking cheap. Like if you can get those ones when they have 80-90% sale, and if you can pass them, and like let's say you have 5-10 of those accounts and you make like 500 1,000, you take out 5,000 in 1 month, or 10,000, right? If you have 10 accounts, that's where it's good. Like that's where it's good. But that trailing drawdown, the problem is like you go up 600, oh, your trade comes back 4, you're already down 400. You know what I'm saying?
and you can only do that a couple times, and then you get kind of wiped out. So you have to kind of either play it very smart, like small size, and just kind of like chip away, chip away, chip away, and really aim for like, let me make $1,000 on just one account and spread that around between multiple accounts, or kind of do what you did where you play a little micros, but if you got that Momo setup where you can just jump in and take a couple minis and make a few hundred quick, do those, and then kind of just then really take it off. The thing with all prop firms is people can't fucking control themselves. They like, people like to make money and give it all back. That's the thing with them. You know, it's just way too easy with trading futures. You could just sit here and trade all day, all day, all day, hundreds of trades, like if you wanted to, you know, and it's way too easy. You got to take a realistic approach, or you have to look at, it's like if you're funded, it's different. Take a realistic approach when you're funded, or if you're not funded, I mean, like how much, like I don't know, like I mean, if someone's gonna start a small account and you put in like $2,000-$3,000 into an account and trade it, if you blow it up, you lost what, $2,000-$3,000, right? So why not just take $1,000 and go buy 20 accounts, fail 10 of them, pass 10 of them, make $1,000 a month, take 10,000. At least you get in a payout. It's very hard to make a lot of money trading one account on prop. You need multiple accounts, or yeah, after 3 months on Apex. So after 3 months and over your trailing, you can take out whatever you want. But I've gone through the back end on the payouts. Ain't nobody do that. You never see, like you can, like they have to post up people's earnings and shit, so like you can find that back end page. You see people with like, they're taking out 15-20 grand, but it's like you see their name popping up like 10 times in a row. So that's telling me they have like 10 accounts or 8 accounts. You know what I'm saying? You don't see like one name and then see like $12,000 payout. You don't see that. You see like their name 10 times in a row, and they took out 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. You know what I'm saying? So they're really not focused on like taking the big payout, like, oh, let me run this up 20 grand and take out a $20,000 payout. It's not really like that, because the longevity of these prop firm accounts is funded is low, man. Like, yeah, because if you really look at the stats, bro, like even on Top Step, man, I went to one of their live streams. They have a new fucking like live stream in the daytime where there's kind of just different panels going around trading and talking and answering questions. Like 2 weeks ago, I was on that's their station, and fucking they were posting up their biggest earners, like their biggest payouts, or big, yeah, on funded accounts, their biggest winners for like a 2 week time, dude. The like top guy was only at $2,700. So like, you're telling me the whole fucking company in 2 weeks, the fucking top guy is at 2,700? Like, that's nothing, bro. That's nothing. That's why right now I'm sitting on this fucking $2,900. I'm trying to fucking sit on it. And now I got this second one, so I'm gonna work the second one. Now I'm gonna keep this one at like $2,900. So, but yeah, they're really not making a lot. Like the average payout in a month is like 3 grand. Like your average trader's like 3 grand. Right, it's weak, but it's on one account, so you gotta do that times three. If Top Step allows 3, well then do 3 grand on 3 accounts, because the chances of you hitting 9,000 on one account is hard. Like that's hard to do. So that's the way I see it. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for right now. Get that? And would you play minis? How much did you take on that? The Amazon ran too. No one took that, huh? You see? So, Sammy, that's what we're talking about. But you see how fast that was? What, dude? All you click is buy. Fucking blew the account. Yeah. Yeah, see, so like that's how while you're fucking around with your platform over there, Sammy, that's how you can like pass these challenges in like 1 week. You find these little areas, you go like 2, 3 minis, you just get in, you try to get 3, 4, 5, 6 points, and you just get the fuck out. Like you get in, it starts going green, 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 and you just get out. Like that's it. Like who cares how much it goes? Because you just find the next one where you can just get in and do like 300 here, 400 there, 200 here. And then like next thing you know, you took like 10 trades on a day. Yeah, you lost a couple, but like you're up like 600, 700 bucks, and then within a week's time you're past. Yeah, I mean that, you know, yeah, yeah. That move was quick because I took that. I only took 2 minis on this funded account. I only took 35 bucks, right? So like, look at the difference. Andre took 230. I took 235. We were in the same place. We took the same trade, but again, like it's just two different approaches. So like you have different approaches that you can try to take, but like you're doing the same thing is what I'm saying. Like that's the only reason why my win percentage will fucking stay high like that, bro. Because I just get in, get green, and I'll just get right out. Like I'm not really waiting for too much. Just trying to take a little piece of it. Oh, did you? Yeah, like because again, like those are they happen so fast. It might go later, right? Like it might go later, and there might be another one over the new one, 294. But it's like when you get in and you start to get green, just it's almost like a gut call. Like you just have to like gut check yourself. Like, let me just get out of this because either A, you're playing heavy size like how Andre is, or you have the mentality like I did playing two micros where I just want to take 20, 30 bucks. I just want to take 20, 30 bucks. And if I do that, 5, 6, 7, 8 times in a day, well, I'll be up like 150, $200. And then at the end of the week, it's a decent week, you make $800,000 a week. So it's just a mentality, but a lot of times like traders want to get in and it's like, oh well, this should have gone, how come we're not going higher? And then you're stuck and now you maybe sell at a loss. Or so it's with anything, what type of mentality are you taking into the trade before you click buy or sell? Is it just to, well, probably like 2 or 300 bucks. So like in that particular case, if Andre didn't take the profits where he did on those 2 minis and he let it pull into the five, let me see here, from 83 down to the lowest price of 67, he would have been down like $700, $800, $900 just on that pullback, right? So and the stock still looks great. So when you're playing it like that, you really have to have the mentality like, if this doesn't go green right away on the minis, I've got to get out. I've got to get out.
Like you need it to break that and immediately go up 2, 3, 4, 5 points. If it doesn't, just get out and then just look for the next one, because you might only take like $100 hit, $200 hit. That's just fine when you're playing the minis like that, because you can come back on the next one, make 300, 400. You just can't do it like on the you can't go 3 or 4 minis and play these 20 plays where it's coming back down on the NQ 20 point. Like you'll just get stopped out. Like it won't even give you enough time. But if you're on Apex, but I would do, I mean, I really like the sweet spot on Apex, like around 5, 6, 7, 8 contracts, micros, 5, 6, 7, 8, because even the losses are still manageable. $200 loss here, $250 loss here, but the wins are comparable. It's like 180, 200. You know, when you get your moves, you can make like 150, $250 a move. I like those ones because then you take 10 trades. Let's say take 10 trades. Let's say you lose 3 of them, but then you win on 6 of them. You're pretty good. Like your wins will compensate for the losses, and you'll be all right. Okay. And how much are you? How much are you? Like, what are your wins? Average wins, just off the top of your head. Like, if you do take a 20 play and it wins, what are you averaging? Like, where you're taking normally off for? $100 at least. Okay. Okay. So okay. And so here's the thing with the 10 point plays. Like when you just try to get in and take the 10 points, you have to do, I would say, I have to look at my stats, but like I'm over 10 trades for sure on the day when I'm just trying to scalp 10 points here, 10 points there. I might be like 10 to 15 trades a day, playing like anywhere between 4 and 6 micros, and I'm looking at that same price target, $80, $70, $100, 120, here's a good one, and I just kind of get out, and I just kind of keep repeating that process over and over and over. And my stop loss on that would be about the same. I don't want to lose no more than $100 to $150 on those type of plays. So I'll kind of see where's that correlating with my support, whether I'm long or short. And then, if it really starts to slow down, like let's say, for example, I took this pop over the 86 and I'm playing 5 micros right now and I didn't take any profits and I'm pretty much back down at break even, I'm going to give this probably until under the 5 SMA. And then if it's staying around and it's not really going, I'll just cut it. Like I might like for example, I'll just give you like an example. I've cut something right here, like right where we're at right now. I'm break even, I'm down 60, $70. I'll just cut it here and then I'll jump back in long over 93. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the move I'm looking for anyways, is the break over 93. But just in case this does decide to come down 10, 20 points, I don't want to be involved in it. I don't like it. Like for me, it should have went already. Like, let's go. I'm not here working for you. It better work for me is my mentality. So I might just cut it like right here. Like, if I was in it still with 4 or 5 micros, just because I don't like it. I like to get into the trades where I'm making money right off the bat. If I'm not making money right off the bat, sometimes I'll just cut it. Like, but it's, yeah. Huh? Yeah, on the futures, on prop firms, so that's what we're talking about. On prop firms, that's my mentality 100%. Either you're going for me right now and I'm starting to make money, whether it's, I don't care if it's $30, $40, $50, it better start going for me, or I'm probably just going to cut it and then I'll re-enter again. That's why my trades are so high. Like, I mean, I'd have to go look at my stats, but like, yeah, sometimes I'm telling you, I'm taking close upwards of 20 trades, so it goes for me or it doesn't. And that's why the win rate will stay high, because if it's going for me and I can take $50, $100, I'll do that, because even $50 times 5 winning trades in a day is $250, right? And if your hit rate's 70-80%, you're making 180, $200. So like on this type of play here, if I just put myself in my shoes before, like I've gotten in on a play like this on the NQ where I'm going to get long here right now, and then it better start breaking on the way up, and as soon as we break the 94s, I'll take profits as we break it by 2 or 3 points, and I'll just get out. Like, so I'll do those quick scalps. Now, how, like, that's why I'm like trying to like slow myself down. And how am I going to play this second funded account with Top Step? I'm thinking about just doing 2 micros at a time and like really letting it go, like finding a 20 play or a high of day break or something, and like kind of just really like allowing it to work. Because at 2 micros, I mean, fuck, the most I can be down is probably about $150 on a trade max. I mean, that thing's not going to squeam away from me at all. Not on 2 micros. Yeah, see, if you just wait for the 20 plays, like right now, it's if I'm just looking at the NQ, it's like, okay, what do I do? We're way over the 20. Nothing's even not doing nothing. I'm looking for constant scalps in this particular situation. So like the big play again was the over the 86. We're back up to the 94s. So realistically, that 86 break was the last play. Someone should be long here. Like you should be long here. And the thought process on that, why you should be long, is because on that hour chart, I mean, we took out this 100 simple moving average, and that 86 level, we kind of been talking about 86s all morning. So as soon as we took that out, you know, that should have all been jumped. You know, that played, because now we're going red to green now on the day. So we have a whole new setup here, like going on. Until you get funded, and then I think you can kind of dial it back a little bit. But like, to be honest, like on these, it's not like the best advice, because if you tell like someone who's like fairly new to trading or doesn't really understand props, and you tell them like try to pass it as soon as possible, they're just gonna blow account after account after account, not really understand. I would look at your investment. How much did you put into your accounts? Like, right, what is that investment? Because realistically, that's all you're losing. Don't worry about how much you're losing on a particular trade. That means nothing. Like, what cash, physical cash, did you put up for those accounts? So if you got 4 accounts, and you bought, did you get them on the 90 sale or the 80 sale? Okay, so we're talking about under 20 bucks a pop on these accounts, right? So let's say 20 bucks a pop. You're only in these accounts for $80, right? So even if you lost and you lost them all, it's 80 bucks, right? It's $80 that you physically lost. Don't worry about how much you're losing on the screen, because that's irrelevant. How much money did you put down? That's how I approach them. And when you get them funded, then you really tone it down and take a month, take 45 days to get those payouts. And then typically for me with Apex, for example, like I've had a Top Step account for quite some time now, almost a year, but the Apex, I'll get one payout, and my route to my second payout, I lose them, because like it's not my full like income. I'll try to like make a lot fast, and then I fucking lose them. Like, but I'll get the one though, you know. The most I've had at one time was 6 accounts. I had 6 accounts at one time, and I got them all to like $800, and I just took it all. But the problem is with Apex, you take it all, right? You don't have any room for drawdown. So it's like the first week you're maxed out, like you get blown up. So it's either build a cushion or take it all. And the way I look at it, well, I'll take it all and I'll wait for your next 80 or 90% sale, and I'll take a week and get those funded and do the same damn thing for a month. That's kind of how I look at it. I look at it yeah. Exactly. Off my initial investment, right? I mean, you want to throw me 10 more accounts for 20 bucks, that's $200 investment. Even if I take out 1,000, I made $800. You know, we got to pay for the activation fees, but I'm going to make like $500-600 on those accounts. And that's like making like $500 a month on 5 accounts, which is not that hard to do. Like, the goal would be to make $1,000 a month per account and have 10 of them. Like that's my goal between now and the end of the year, is to have 10 funded Apexes and 3 funded Top Steps. That takes me to 13 accounts, and try to average like 800 to 1,200 per account a month, and then just stop, and then take my payout at the end of the month, and then keep it going again.
Oh, they're getting his cup of coffee. Yeah. Well, now Biggs is green over there, so he's got his feet up. Not if we break what? What's that, pre-market highs? Yeah, 369.66, something like that. Huh. Look at you. Oh boy, Biggs. Hey Biggs, but how about we did have the Qs at the absolute bottom today. You realize Biggs, you realize you had them down at 364, 365? Yeah. Yeah. You take a look at those contracts, see what they're trading at. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Biggs, what did you have? 365s? Let's take a look at them. You had 3 of them too, so let's take a look at them for you, Biggs. What date? Expiration? 19th, huh? So 365s, trading for about $600 a pop, Biggs. Look at this guy. There you go. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. See that? Yeah. 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 So when you do those kind of plays where you're playing those minis like that, just treat it like that. Like bounce it off something or take a like a fresh high and like just get in, get a couple hundred or whatever and get the fuck out. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Take care, man. Huh. What? We're golfing or we're going to the range? Yeah, because what is are those guys really golfing tomorrow? Jerry and Adam? Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you're gonna work the game, I mean, go get that swing down. Let's you go play a quick 9 at Satakoy. Satakoy's not closed, man. Why would it be closed? Nah, that's Buenaventura. Yeah, Satakoy. A quick niner. If you really want to work on the game, hey, 3 putt. So tell me this, because someone told me this. They said, because I used to go to the range a lot and try to work on my swing, but they said, instead of working on your swing on the range, why don't you go play a quick 9, like like on a small course or something. That way you get the actual feel. That's better practice for you than sitting out there looking great on the driving range. What do you think about that? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's yeah. Okay, so my time is better well spent today. If I'm gonna go golf and play a full 18 tomorrow, my time is better spent where? Going to the range today or going to play a 9? Okay. Uh, All right, that's all I needed to hear. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I was bullshit, man. I drive the piss out of the ball, man. I just get. I'm good. I'm good, man. Rough, dude.
Yeah, but I also fucking just seen a clip of Tiger Woods saying it's all about the fucking drive now. You gotta want to stay in contention. It's all about the drive. 3-putt. Tell me, what are we thinking here? Hmm. You more of a layup guy, Biggs? Okay. Good putting, yeah. Well, putting's okay. The short game, yeah. It's I'm going to the range.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm in it. I'm in it. No one listened to me when I said for everyone. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. All right. Yeah. Damn, I should have held that longer. Yeah, I should have. Yeah, Anthem, Sam, same guy, same guy. Yeah. Uh-huh. Make a little money. Make a little make a little money on that. Yeah, good. 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 Yeah, good. I like those oopses that you have, man. They continue to pay. Yeah, that's it. It's coffee time for me too. I'm getting out of the Amazons. No one listened to me either, huh? I might as well just go on mute then. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys. I'll catch you guys. I'll be around. All right, man. Later. Beer.